Okay, today we're going to look at the Speed Racer by Polar Lights, the Mach 5. Something I grew up with watching. Okay, so instructions. There's all of our bits and parts. White plastic on white sprues. Some chrome and clear bits, as well as tires. And a couple of screws, looks like. Okay. Man, can't even open a bag. Okay. Alright, here's what we've got. Here's our plastic parts. This is actually a snap together kit. No glue required. However, we will be using some glue. Cement, I should say. So, here's what we've got. Alright. So, this plastic looks pretty good. There's a few seam lines on it I have to get rid of. But overall it looks pretty good. Not too bad. Interior. Okay. It's not too much flash, actually none that I can see right off the top here. But, yeah, so I think it's okay. Alright, let's look at the instructions. These instructions have a little to be desired. Painting colors. Paint's recommended if you're going to paint it. It doesn't have to be painted. It comes in color except for the interior. Because the interior, here's the seats, front seats. I don't see the rear part of I don't see the back. Interesting. Okay, well, I'm not seeing the back part of the seats. But maybe I'm just missing it. It's not in there. So, not sure where it is. Okay, and here's the instructions. Not in normal like panels of steps. Everything's laid out here. Here's your steps down the side. Looks like 5 steps. Looks like they're doing them in kind of in assemblies. Here's the inside. Here's the chassis. Here's the outside. and then the decals or decals. So, okay, that looks okay. Let's look at these other parts here. Okay, there are parts that are not 100% clear. They're very cloudy. Guess I'm going to have to try to polish those because that will not do. They're very cloudy. They're not clear at all. If I hold that over there, you can see how bad that is. So not clear. These are not decals. These are stickers. So I'm not a huge fan of that. I guess I will. I don't think these go on the car. These are just extra stickers. I will be masking this off and painting it because that's not going to do. Chrome bits. I may strip the chrome. Not a big fan of chrome like this. So I'll probably strip it off, paint them and put them back in. Interesting. Okay. Rubber tires. Looks like it's a pretty good friction fit onto those wheels. There it goes. So it looks like that when it's on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to strip that chrome and start over. All right, and then some screws. Some of the chrome is already busted off. Alright, and some screws and some metal rods that I have no idea what those are for. Alright, so this is the Speed Racer Polar Kits model kit number 6807 from Polar Lights, a snap together kit.